Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down chunk metadata. It's an important idea in RAG. So, what is chunk metadata? Chunk metadata stores source, page number, and section info alongside each embedded piece. It's one of the core ideas in RAG. Here are the key things to know about chunk metadata. First, enables precise citation and source tracing. Also, used for filtering and post-retrieval processing. Another key point includes document title, author, date, section path. On top of that, critical for faithfulness and user trust. Finally, standard practice in production RAG. And that's chunk metadata in simple terms. Come back for another RAG concept tomorrow.